Hello, quick walkthrough of my search scraper. You type a keyword, the backend calls SERP API, SERP API to get real Google search results. And you can download them as JSON or CSV. Scraper.py. This file validates the input. Checks it's not empty, not too long, no weird characters, then calls SERP API. And filters out any results without a valid URL. Main.py, the fast API app adds rate limiting per IP and security headers. On every response, the API key is read from an environment variable. Never hard-coded, never in Git. On the front end, the results are built with DOM methods. Create elements. Create elements and text content. Never inner HTML to avoid excesses. Even the keyword highlighting is done by building text nodes manually. Export to JSON and CSV happens right in the browser. Let's run the tests. "29 tests passed, covering input validation, the SERP API error handling, and the API endpoints, including rate limits and security headers." Here you can see tests. It's already live here. That's it. Thanks.